Well, hello and welcome to the Camp-N-Hoosiers page. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 269DB Hideout from Barton Lake RV. Salesman will be Kyle, our special guest today. And this trailer has a shipping weight of 6,171 pounds, cargo carrying capacity of 1,639 pounds. It's 30 foot 8 inches in length with a height of 11 foot 1 inch. It has a 46 gallon fresh water tank, 60 gallon gray, 30 for waste. It sleeps 10.
Hi everybody, Kyle here from Barton Lake RV in Fremont, Indiana. We are at the Fall RV show here at the Fort Wayne Coliseum. I am here with my good guests who have decided to give me the ability to show off this beautiful 2024 Hideout 269DB, and that is what we are about to do. Now the 269DB is actually part of Hideout's Sport line that came out in 2024. They wanted to come out with a brand that would be a little bit more economically friendly, somebody that wants to go RVing but doesn't want to break the bank to buy a brand new RV. Outside, this is a traditional build. You're going to have metal sidewalling with wood studding and R7 insulation. You're going to have a tandem axle over here with a 30-foot chassis. Corrugated underbelly. It is sealed and it is heated through the floor ducted furnace. Also on the outside, we're looking at exterior Bluetooth speakers, an 18-foot power awning with LED strip. And even on the back end here, they added a grill port so you could bring your outdoor gas grill and run it off the propane tanks on the front of the coach without having to bring one yourself. You can see they added power jacks and a power front tongue jack to the front to make it very easy to set up whenever you guys get to your campsite.
And those are the Lippert PS1s.
Absolutely. They've pre-fitted some of these units with options like tire link. Now, whenever you are traveling down the road, if your car ever runs over a nail or a sharp object, you'll typically get an alert on the front of your vehicle saying that one of your tires is leaking air and you need to pull over. On an RV, it's not that simple. So what you do is you add the tire link, which adds Bluetooth sensors to the valve stems on the tires here, giving you the ability to pull over before the blowout ever happens. That's just a safety feature that they'd like to add to keep you safe and traveling down the road. On the back end of the coach, we have pre-fitting for a Furion backup camera, making it much easier when you don't get a pulled through sight at whatever campground you decide to check into. You also have the steel reinforced bumper back here with a 300-pound weight limit for bike racks or luggage racks.
Do you have any bunk rooms?
I don't open, do they?
You don't have the 2040.
No.
2040?
I do not, but it is online.
What?
It's online.
It's on order.
No, it's online.
You have it at the store. Okay.
Down here, you guys actually see we have pass-through storage under the lower bunks, giving you large access to put items like chairs, gas grills, even larger totes that you take on your family trips. Once you step inside the unit, we do have double over double bunks with a nice steel ladder. That's a lot better than the old wood ladders that they used to put on here. It's actually meant for better impact resistant. It's more sturdy, gives kids the ability to climb up and down safely if they ever need to sleep here for the night. On the front end, on the passenger side of the coach, we do have an entertainment center, lots of storage, and a 12-volt refrigerator. Now this is different than the old gas grill, the gas electric refrigerators. It's deeper because you don't have the gas cooling unit in the back. It runs off a 12 volt and you can safely travel down the road or boondock with this fridge being on without having it plugged in, running off the battery. It's being fed by the solar panel on top of the roof that's constantly charging the battery as well. In the Sport Editions, they do give you a dual burner gas stovetop. No oven, but they do give you extra storage. Greystone microwave and range hood over top. A deep single bay sink and plenty of drawers and cabinets to store your things. In the front bedroom, you're of course going to have your standard under the bed storage, hanging storage on both sides for him and her, and even shoe cubbies on the front wall there so you can store your boots and shoes for when you travel.
Nice.
We make our way over to the driver's side. We do have a booth dinette here. Storage under both sides. This can actually be converted down into a bed for extra sleeping. You can see that they did USB ports here on the back wall for cell phone and tablet charging. And they added 2 very large windows for good cross breeze ventilation and even an extra access point in case of emergencies. Laminated flooring versus vinyl or carpet, giving it a nice flush look.
And they match up.
Jackknife sofa also has storage underneath of it for you to store your linens and your pillows. Can convert into an armrest so you have a place to store your drinks.
Child separator.
And finally, ending at the back, you don't have the tub shower. Now the tub shower actually decreases the height that somebody's able to stand in. So they went with a flush floor mount. You still have the roof vent, porcelain toilet instead of plastic, and these units are now coming with a on-demand tankless hot water heater.
Have as much hot water as you have gas.
Absolutely.
Is that a porcelain or a plastic?
Porcelain toilet. Other little things that they added, you have the pet-friendly floor registers, harder for debris to fall down into the floor ducting system so you don't have to clean it as often. And with it being plastic, kids' feet, dogs' paws are going to be much safer going across the floor. You can see this unit has a 15K BTU AC unit and the Keystone exclusive patented blade AC system. So these ducts right here
Just pop right off.
offer 3 times the airflow of the standard ducting system. You can see they don't have the directional slats. They're actually open 360 degrees around, allowing better airflow. Also, there's no gap up here in the ducting system, meaning you're not going to have any interrupted airflow and no condensation or excess air is going to be pouring into the roof. It's all going to be coming out of the ducting system, giving you more efficient cooling during the summer. And that's pretty much it. Now they do have 7 different units in the Hideout Sport line. They vary in price. None of them reach above $30,000, making it a great deal for a family looking to get out into the great outdoors. I appreciate you guys coming on this journey with me. I'm Kyle from Barton Lake RV. Thank you for watching.
Okay, well that was Kyle at Barton Lake RV that showed us the camper. His phone number is 260-833-4386 and his email is KyleB, K-Y-L-E-B at bartonlakervsales.com. And if you do happen to look at this camper, do mention the Camp-N-Hoosiers.